Hi guys! Today we're going to be doing a look with my new Lethal Cosmetics palette. You can see it up here. I did an unboxing video and then a swatch party with all the shades and the stencils. And today I'm going to try and do a look to see how they perform on the eyes. I'm sorry if this is not very fluid nor fluent. You know, English is not my mother tongue. Yeah, sometimes the words don't come as fluidly as I wish they would. Let's put our cat ears with the Christmas decorations and get on with it. Okay, I'm going to start with a dark red base. There's quite some kickoff in the pan. I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown mirror because that's what's on hand. This looks like a really dark, what's the name, eggplant color, and these are pigmented. I did swatches using my fingers on my previous video, but maybe I should have used my brushes. I was thinking I was not going to enjoy these, but they're really good. Pigmented. I noticed that my problem with my eye makeup is usually that I have a lot of asymmetry between both sides of my face, and one eye is droopier than the other. So trying to do eyeshadow evenly is a struggle for me. Struggle bus. Yeah, not there yet. So far, no fallout. And I think I'm starting to go too near the brow bone. It's not good. Let's darken this up a bit. And that's it for this shade. Maybe we're gonna have to go back to it later on, just to even things out a bit. Now I'm going to darken with a little bit of green. Alright, I just realized, my god, that I forgot to add primer. So let's add a little bit of primer for now for the shimmer. This becomes sort of a cut crease. Lol, not. Let's see if I can tap this off. Let's see if I don't ruin anything. Anything of what's already been done, which is not much anyway, so. Ooh, fallout. Foundation brush. Yeah, the green shade is a little powdery, but so far so good. I'm not complaining because this looks okay. Looks nice. All right, so now I'm going to start covering my eyes in green. I think I'm gonna need to go back to my dark green. But so far, I'm enjoying these shades and these colors. These are beautiful. Okay, let's do dark green again. I can darken this up again a bit. And now let's do shimmer. Ooh, for shimmer I have two. I have a minty green and I have a neon green. Let's try and go with the neon green first. This shade is versatile because it's a real neon green, however, mixed with the other khaki shade called Habitat, if I'm not mistaken. It got really with a grungy hint. This is becoming a bit of a dark mood, but I'm happy with it. Now let's do the minty shade. This kind of needs some wetting as well. Oh, baby. See here? Beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, no. I just need to blend all of this a bit. guess what? These are blendable. Maybe this eggplant shade wasn't the best choice for around the eye area, because I look like I was punched in the face in both eyes. Yeah, I don't even know where to look at. The punched in the eye look, or maybe the raccoon look. I should darken this up a bit over here. Now let's do the lower lash. Connect the dots over here with this eggplant, and then I'll correct. I just forgot that I had done my base already, but it's okay. I'm not sure I'm happy with this look. We'll go with it. It's fine. Going in with my foundation brush. Not perfect, but fine. And now let's do some Vertex right here. This one is one of those that works better wet, for sure. We'll see how these last. Probably won't last too long since I forgot to put the primer underneath. So yeah, this is the final look. Let me get rid of my cat ears. It is what it is. Oh, and you may wonder if what happens to mascara. Do I forget mascara all the time? I don't forget mascara. I just hate having to removing it at the end of the day, and that's why I don't do mascara or mascara, whatever. Okay, let's do one of those. This is the final look without lashes, and now let's try lashes on. I kind of like this look, actually. Not very inspired, but you know, let's get close and personal, right? So you guys can see the shades up close and how they mix together. I think they mix very well together. They don't look muddy, I don't think. You can see the different shades of green. I think maybe we need some lashes. Let's choose them. Try a new style today. Ooh, these look like fun lashes. Let's do liner. Let's see if you know the liner I'm using. You can refer to the video up here to see what it is. It's from Essence. My eyelids are not young anymore, so they get crepey. And it's easier for the liner to bleed. And yeah, now I messed up everything. I'm going to do the lashes off camera and we'll see what happens next. So, we're back with the liners, with both liners on. Old school. Everyone nowadays has a fan to dry their face faster. I use my hands. I actually have this manual fan. I only use it in the summer, that's why I don't have it now on me, but I'm going to start using it in these videos to dry everything up a bit faster. So yeah, I have liner on. Today I chose the style Vixen from Glamnetic. Again, not sponsored, but I really love these lashes. I used to do my makeup without lashes every single day because I couldn't stand the idea of messing with glue. But with these liners, things have become a lot easier, and this is Stronghold magnetic liner. It works really well, and the lashes actually stay all day. These are cute. Cute and easy. This is the final look with the lashes on. Now that I've tried lashes once, I can't go back to doing makeup without lashes anymore. I look at my pictures from my past looks and I feel like it's not finished, you know. I hope you enjoyed this movie. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget the thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, because interacting with the videos helps the channel grow, and it sure helps getting more views and getting YouTube to show the videos to more and more people. And yeah, that would be a really good boost for my mood and inspiration. It's not, I love doing this. It's really relaxing, and it's fun. But yeah, if you interact with my videos, if you comment down below, all that good stuff, things will grow faster. So I appreciate your help in that way. And if you enjoyed this and you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to click the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I publish a new video, okay? So that's it for today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.